Hey guys, welcome to my legal classes. This is Ganesh Pujari, and in the series of Indian Penal Code, we are focusing on chapter 10, which is all about of contempts of the lawful authority of public servant, which is covered between section 172 to 190. And in that series, this is my 8th video where we are going to focus on section 178, which is all about refusing oath or affirmation when duly required by public servant to make it. If you are required to make an oath or an affirmation, and if you are not doing it in front of a public servant, what happens, which is what we are going to understand in a single slide presentation where I will be discussing the Bare Act provision along with a beautiful chart. Not taking much of your time, let's get into this slide. Section 178 of IPC discusses about refusing oath or affirmation when duly required by a public servant to make it. The Bare Act provision says whoever refuses to bind himself by an oath or affirmation to state the truth when required to bind himself by a public servant legally competent to require that he shall so bind himself shall be punished with simple imprisonment for a term which may extend to 6 months or with fine which may extend to 1000 rupees or with both. The class will continue. In between, I just wanted to share an important update with you guys. I have joined the unacademy team as an educator for CLAT 2023 batch, and I would like to request you all to download the unacademy app and follow me there also. And while buying the subscription over there, please buy the subscription with my code GYAN07, that is GAN07, to get additional 10% discount. And what's happening in unacademy this week? Excellence batch for CLAT 2023 aspirants in the name of Let's Crack CLAT is starting from February 18th, and a 3 months batch course for NLSAU 3-year LLB 2022 aspirants is starting in the name of Let's Crack NLSAT on February 21st, and All State Law Entrance Preparation Batch 2022 in the name of Mighty Legal Crash Course is starting on February 23rd. For the links for these batches, please visit my video description, and while buying subscription, please use my code GYAN07, GAN07. Thank you. Quite a simple Bare Act provision, and I have made it further easy with the help of my chart, which says whoever refuses to bind by an oath or affirmation to a public servant who is legally competent to take such oath or affirmation. Here there are two people. One, there is a public servant who with the law has a right to take some oath or affirmation, and there is a person who is refusing to do such oath or affirmation. In that case, the person who is refusing to do so in front of that public servant is committing an offense, and for that offense, what is the punishment? He or she will be punished with simple imprisonment for a term which may extend to 6 months or with fine which may extend to 1000 rupees or with both. Now under CRPC, these are non-cognizable offenses, bailable offenses, and any magistrate can conduct trial. I hope this section is very easy. When somebody is liable to give oath or affirmation in front of a public servant, because such public servant is having the authority to take such oath or affirmation, and if the person who has to make such oath or affirmation, if he or she is not doing so, then that is a punishable offense, which we need to understand from section 178. I hope that is very clear. With that assumption, I am handing over this presentation to Nishan.
Okay guys, I don't have any time to give message today. Is that okay? With that, I am concluding this session. Please subscribe our channel. Please like, share and comment our videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.